Okay, from this website, type in SketchUp free. It's usually the first link right here. Then SketchUp, and then you're going to start modeling. It might ask you to log in. Can you please log in using your Google account? So it's up towards the bottom, Google account, and then use your school email, the one with your ID number, okay? All right, once you're here, you might get a tutorial. You can watch that now or later. Since I've used this program before, it doesn't show it to me. After that, you're going to click on Create New. Use feet and inches. Okay, so this is our basis where we're going to be sketching. On this side, you are going to have tools that we're going to be using constantly. And then on this other side are tools that we're not going to use very much here and there, but these are extras. This is where we're really going to be working. And up here is where we're going to be saving. Okay, because this is not save automatically. So we have to make sure that we save it. Let's go ahead and save now. So you can call it your customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, whatever it is. Click on SketchUp. I'm just going to type in example 2. You can do this and then start a new one for your customer. Okay, so according to the packet, our first step, so if you're following along with the packet, which you can, there's a lot of directions on here. I'm on page 50 where it says to draw your roof. So you're going to go over here on this side, on the right hand side, you're going to click on the view right here, and you're going to click on the dead center one, and that will give us our bird view. Now it's kind of weird what happened. Okay, but don't worry, it's a fine. You're looking at from the top view, just like you did your Google map. So the top view. So green and red is what we're focusing on right now. You're going to go over here to the tool with the little pencil on it. Okay. So I'm going to click on the pencil. Now you're going to recreate the roof that you just sketched out on page 49 with the measurements. You can't just freehand this. You have to use the measurements. So I'm going to start at the origin 0, 0. And you see how the line's active, right? Well, I'm going to put it on the red line. Why? Because I know it's going to be a straight line. Now, I measured it to be 52. So I'm going to go ahead and type 52. And automatically on the lower right-hand corner, do you see how it typed in 52 for me? All I did was start typing and it did it. Now you want to make sure you include an apostrophe that will tell it its feet. Hit enter. Now, you can't see it now. Let me move this over. But it drew a line, right? Okay, super important, your escape key on your keyboard. That will, stop connecting lines. So here I am. I just drew this line right here, okay? So now I'm going to draw the other line going up, okay? So I'm going to go back to my pencil, start at the origin, go straight on the line, not over. I want to make a straight line. And I'm going to type in my other measurement, which was 33 feet. I'm going to type in, 33. Apostrophe, enter. Okay, if I zoom out, you see that? So now I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna make a rectangle, right? Out of my triangle. Now, do you notice that this line's red? What does that mean? That means it's going along with the red line at the bottom. So if I move it off, like I could imagine this to be, oh, I'm going in a straight line, I'm going in a straight line. But since it's not red, it's not parallel to the red line at the bottom. So this is a very useful tool. The red line, that means it's going to be perfectly parallel to the bottom line. So there it is. I love it. I'm going to go to the 55. I'm going to type in 55. And oops, you see what I did? I didn't do the exclamation point, right? So 55. Oh, I got to undo. And my movie's about to shut down. So let me go and go back, undo, create the line. Video's going to shut off.